fourth graders, we're going to finish up investigation 8. So if you're looking in your math book, this would be on page 517. And we're going to talk about graphing points on a coordinate plane. So in your math book, there's an illustration that looks similar to this. And this graph, this would be the coordinate plane. And then these numbers are the coordinates. These numbers tell where the point belongs on the graph. So when you are looking to graph a number, a specific point, you look at these numbers. This first one is the horizontal line, and the second one is the vertical line. So horizontal is first, vertical second. So over and then up. Okay, so if we are looking at plot C, point C, we would say that it's at 1, so over 1, 3, up 3. So 1, 2, 3. If we're talking about plotting point D, that's 1, 8. So over 1 and then up 8. 8. Okay? So always go over and then up, horizontal, then vertical. So if we were plotting point A, what would the coordinates, the numbers, the coordinates, what would they be for A? What would the numbers be for A? So think over and then up. Okay, so Taylor, what are the coordinates for point A?
6, 8.
6, 8. We go over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the coordinates for point A would be 6, 8. Okay, what were the coordinates for point B? B. Taylor, what would be the coordinates for point B?
6, 3.
6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then if we wanted to connect the points, we would just kind of draw and connect the dots, just like you would do if you were doing a connect the dot puzzle. In your homework packet, lesson activity 34 is asking you to do this same kind of thing. You're going to plot different points on the graph. Okay, so try not to wreck my whole drawing. Okay, so number 1 says 10, 5. So number 1 says 10, 5. So that would mean that we go over how many? Taylor?
10.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then up how many?
5.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And draw the point. Number 2 says 9, 7. So that would mean I'd start back at 0. How many would I go over? Taylor?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, where do I go now?
Up.
Up how many?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then just continue to plot the different spots on the graph until you've done all the points. Okay? So You can practice with your lesson activity 34. That's this page. Your dot should look something like this. And then when you're done, you can connect in order from 10, 5 to 9, 7, and continue until you kind of plot yourself a picture. And it should look kind of like an arrow when you're finished. Okay, then for fun, try plotting points on these pages. There's 2 of them. To give yourself more practice in plotting, you can try practicing plotting pictures of these different monster pages afterwards.